So to run through the program that I've got going so far, it's the plugBoard part of it. I have 3 classes going on. The program class is just kind of my test area, and right now it's set up to take user input and then just encrypt it and immediately decrypt it, just to test to make sure my encrypt and decrypt is working. I have the get file class, which is going to be a file or a class that's going to be used throughout the program and even with the menus and not just with the plugBoard. And all this is doing is going to take a path, figure out if that path is available. If not, it's going to throw an exception. If that path works and you can load up the file, it's going to then take that file and break it up into lines, and each of those lines are going to be added to a list, and then this returns that list to where it was being called. In the plugBoard class, it starts up by setting up, and in the setup it's just going to pass the path for the plug text and the path for the letter text file, and create 2 lists, a letter list and a encrypted letter list. The letter list just has the list in order, and the encrypted is the shuffled one. Then you have 2 methods here, which is going to be encrypt and decrypt. The encrypt one is going to take a letter, the letter that the users pass through, and encrypt that letter by finding its location, its index in the letter list, and then taking that index and getting the letter that corresponds with it in the encrypted letters. And then the decrypt just does it the opposite way. It's taking that letter that's encrypted and finding its location in the encrypted letter list, and then just cross-referencing it and sending back the decrypted letter. So that's what it is so far. To run it real quick, pops up the console, user will type something in like hello. I have it so that it passes back just telling me that the files are gotten, and it'll show the original, the encrypted, and then the decrypted after the encrypted.